Hi guys, Rick here again. What's wrong with this guy? He's got the hiccups. You. So do I. That'll bring us to our next book. Check it out. So this time in story time, I think I'm going to try something different. It's Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups by James Dean. Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. How do you stop hiccups? Do you guys know? Right. Let's think. Oh, that didn't work. Rubbing your chin doesn't work. Let's go see what happens. Pete asked Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Let's try that. Careful not to fall. Whoa. Yep. Didn't work. Pete stands on one foot. Pete still has the hiccups, just like me. It didn't work for him either. Pete asked Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Let's try that first and see if it helps us. Yep. Nope. Didn't help me. How about it helped Pete? Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Gus, how I how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and you hop up and down and you sing a song. Okay, let's try it. Here we go. I got the hiccups. Oh, almost falling. No, didn't work. Me. Let's check with Pete. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Pete still has the hiccups. Whoa, him too. Didn't work. Wonder who we can ask now. Who's Pete gonna ask? Who can you ask? Pete asked Bob. How do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. Bob seems to know. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. Let's try it. Careful not to fall. This one's going to be tricky. I got the hiccups. No, didn't work. I don't think so. Maybe it worked for Pete. Hiccup. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Oh no. Go ask Mom, says Bob. That's a good idea. Probably should have thought of that in the first place. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Let's try it. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Did you try it? Hey, I think it worked. Let's see. Pete blows his breath out. That's it, Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits and waits and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. Yeah, they are. That was a good book. And I'm glad you joined me for story time. Maybe somebody should tell this guy back behind me to hold his breath. Thanks for coming to story time. And leave a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Give me ideas. I love hearing from you. Till next time.